Hello. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to go through the solutions of the problem of the week for February 1st, 2021. The very first problem we have is a find the area of the triangle given all three sides. Oops. Okay, if you recall, you're going to use Heron's formula. So first you need to find the semi-perimeter. Okay, so that's 18 plus 17. Divide by 2, and you get 17.5. Whoops. To find the area, you use the semi-perimeter, and then you multiply the difference of the semi-perimeter on each of the sides. Now, these differences should all be positive. You know you did something wrong. This is definitely a calculator problem for me. And don't forget to take the square root at the very end. And I get 23.53 units with rounding, or units squared, I should say. And that's it. All right, let's do problem 2. Okay, again, this is another find the area, except the sides are decimals, not nice whole numbers. Again, you're going to use the same formula, Heron's. Oops, decimal point, it's in the wrong spot, right there. Oopsie. Okay, there we go. So semi-perimeter. Divide by 2. And again, to find the area, take the semi-perimeter, and then the difference of the semi-perimeter and the side. Don't forget your square root. Now, depending on your calculator, you could technically type this whole thing in, just as long as you're careful. I am not that careful, so I'm going to do a little scratch work beforehand. And again, depending on your calculator, you get 2.57 units squared with rounding. Okay. All right, number 3. This one is interesting, okay, because it's asking you to use a sum and difference formula backwards. So we need to figure out which one we have. So we have sine 110 times cosine 65 plus cosine 110 sine 65. So if I look in the pattern of sine and cosine, this tells me that it's a sine. If I look at the addition in the middle, it tells me it's an add. So now x, y. So I am looking at sine of 175 degrees. And then I'm done. Okay, moving on to number 4. Same problem. I just have to figure out which one I'm looking at. Okay, since it's cosine, cosine, then sine, sine, probably cosine. Cosine, sum and difference switches signs in the middle. So it's minus over here, so you positive in here. So it would simply be 0.78, 0.12. So that would be cosine of 0.9. Perfect. All right. Almost done. 2 more.